In this video, I'll show you how to add a web link to a custom question. With the custom question open in the custom question builder, position the mouse and click where you'd like the web link to appear. Then click Insert, found on the left side of the top menu. Select Web Link from the drop-down menu. A new dialog box opens. You can paste the URL into the top box and type or paste the wording you'd like to display for the link in the bottom box. When you've done that, click OK. You can preview your question to ensure the question functions properly. And then click Save and Close. Then finally name your question and include any descriptions you'd like, and click OK.